Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ebony Locs, and if you're new here, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Alrighty, so today we are doing crochet locks, and she wants it to be versatile, so she wants to be able to pull it up into her different styles. So I will be braiding it down in the back, making sure to braid her perimeter up, and then I will be doing individuals in the front of her hair. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and sew down the back so that braid that's sticking out down so that it's not showing through the locks. so I'm going to go ahead and put the hook through the braid and pull it through. Alright, and then I'm going to put my 2 fingers in between, grab the braid and the lock and pull it through. And you want to pull it tight. Right, and make sure it's super close to the scalp. So I'm going to use my crochet hook and slide it up the lock. And then I'm going to grab the braid and wrap it around there. I'm going to pull that through like so. And pull it down. You can see how much more you have left. And just start from where it stops at, where it comes out at. Put the needle in. And pull it down through. There you go. Seamless, no braids. Well, she is all done. Look at her. Just looking beautiful. She's super happy with the results, as always. And thank you guys so much for watching. Again, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.